By badly, I mean negative 20 first month. What, 20,000 or $20? And negative 50 this month. Only order was refunded because customer claims item didn't arrive even though DHL confirmed delivery. Jewelry niche. Bro, negative 20 and negative 50 is how's that bad? If you're getting sales, you're getting reviews, and you're getting traction, that's good. If you're testing products, that's good, bro. Like, the old saying of you have to spend money to make money is completely and utterly true. Yes, you can go down the organic route for Etsy, but you will make money much slower and you will test much slower. And it may never work. And I think especially if you're a complete and utter beginner and you've made under 1,000 orders on Etsy, like, not even that. Let's say you've made no money online or almost no money. Let's say you've done like a K in sales max. You need those sales in the beginning. You need that sale to give you validation for your idea. Like if you're doing a Shopify store and you're listing it and you're trying it for 2 weeks, you spend $250 on advertising and you've got 0 sales, you're going to be completely and utterly demotivated. But you might spend $251 and you might have got that sale. Whereas with Etsy, because it's so little to actually start up, as long as you're using the correct methods, you're actually in the perfect position. You're in the best position ever because you're not at a huge risk when you're testing products. Like you're not at a huge risk when you're testing products at all. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.